Lambda arguments. Hi, welcome to this lesson. As we said previously, Lambda functions can take any number of arguments. In this lesson, we will take two examples to explain the Lambda function arguments in Python programming language. The first example will be with 2 arguments, and the second example will be with 3 arguments, not 2. Let's see that in action. We have a simple example here for the Lambda function with 2 arguments here, x and y, and we separated them using comma. And the expression for this Lambda function is x multiplied by y. We assigned all of this Lambda function content to a variable, this variable called calculate, just equating the Lambda function to the calculate variable. And this calculate variable will be used to call or use this Lambda function in any process. And when we call the Lambda function using the variable name calculate, and we put 5 as a value for the x argument and 7 as a value for the y argument, the output should be look like that. It should be 35 due to multiplying 5 by 7. And this is depending on the Lambda expression, x multiplied by y. So simple. Let's take another example. The second example will be with 3 arguments. We just created another Lambda function here with 3 arguments. They are x, y, and z, and the expression for that Lambda function is x times y plus z. And you will find out the calling for this Lambda function using the variable name called Matplotlib. And we used 2 as a value for the x argument, also 3 as a value for the y argument, and 4 as a value for z argument. So in this case the program gave us 10, and this output also depends on the Lambda expression, x times y plus z, 2 times 3 plus 4 equal to 10. Awesome. It is a very simple operation, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson.